already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Our buddy Russ just showed up, and we are trying to help him put on a fourth solar panel. And hopefully it doesn't go too bad. It looks like we're going to be able to utilize the brackets that are already there, and then we have some special parts coming in. I think he said Wednesday, and we'll see what we can do. Try to get them all running together. We're going to run a parallel, so we'll let you see what's going on when we get to that point.
What are you doing today?
Working on Russ's new solar panel. We're going to install it.
Yeah? How are you going to install it?
Well, we're going to use existing panels, one on either end, and we're going to put a rubber bushing in between after we drill a hole in the new solar panel. And then Russ has these really cool little eyelet things that are on top. And he's got these cool gadgets. Let me show you the top piece. It's like this, and then it has an aluminum thing that slides over the eyelet, and then this goes down with some eye bolts. And so we're going to use, we'll have to go buy some really cool L brackets. And that's what I'm measuring right now, is what size we need to make sure that we can get to the outer edge of the panel from the eye bolt. Wow, that's not a really good number. Turns out it's like 3 1/4 inches. 3 1/4 inches, that's not very good. But that's all we've got. It's gonna have to be 3, yeah, it needs to be actually about 3 1/2 inches. That will come up over this edge here, and then I'll drill a hole in here and we'll mount it. But it'll have 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and then the existing panels will connect. So that's what we're doing. Hey there. I am actually up on a ladder on Russ's rig, and I've got some of the brackets set, and I made sure all of my measurements. I've drilled holes in the panel. Fingers crossed that everything just matches up. So here in just a few minutes, I'm going to have Susan bring me over the panel, and I'm going to do the wire connection first. They're going to connect right here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to kind of bring it over. There's connectors there. And Russ was generous enough to make sure that he brought the secondary connectors to do a parallel on this panel. Yeah, let's see if I know how to do this. All right, so Susan just brought me the panel. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect some wires. Underneath here, I have extra connections, and I have to do a parallel system. Let me try to show you exactly what we got here. So we have these little Y connectors, and they're going to connect into existing panels. They should all tie together. Everything should be working. All right, so one of the connectors is being a butt head, and so I went and got me some needle nose, and hopefully I can do that pinch between those little eyelet things and just pull it apart and get the other one connected. One's done. Just working on number 2. We'll see. Okay, so that worked. And you can see I have everything connected. Sorry if it's close, I'm not really sure what we got going on. Now it's time to mount the panel. Sorry, I'm on top of the ladder here. Yeah, I got some brackets here. I got the other panels to mount to. We're going to try to do a trio of panels. I think I got this. Okay, so as all installs of anything, there's always got to be some kind of issue. And our issue today is that attaching the solar panel to the solar panel. I can't keep my arm underneath there to tighten the bolt. So we're gonna attempt to put this a little bit at a lean-to in hopes that I can mount it and everything will work. Now, I do have the air conditioner lip that has been an issue. So, hey there. Okay, so we were hoping to be able to lay this flat and match panel to panel. Turns out because of the air conditioner, it's just too difficult. So we're gonna actually do a bracket like this. And we're gonna put this on a tilt using the air conditioner as support. It turns out I might have connected the wires a little bit backwards, but we'll get that squared away.
Survivors.
We have had a couple of surprise visitors today. We have got Russ, Gio, and Allie here with us tonight.
Hey.
We just got done eating some pizza and we're about ready to get over to the fire pit and have a little fun this evening.
So we have some L brackets for Russ's rig. It's a new day. But these guys right here, they're pretty strong and sturdy. But I gotta try to give them just a slight bend at the L, just because we're putting his panel on a tilt. So I'm hoping that with the clamp and some pliers, I can get some kind of a bend out of it. It is going to be extremely important, but it doesn't mean we still can't connect. It's just a better connection. I think I did it. We'll find out. All right, so I've got all the brackets with a slight bend in them. Sorry I didn't keep you with me, but it just, you know, it's that ugly face of using extra body strength. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these all mounted down, and they're gonna attach to where that clamp is on the roof for those extra runners that these rigs allow for. And then we'll put the sides in and see if we get it working. And just mounting it. Mounting is kind of an easy task. Fingers crossed. It definitely didn't go together very well. I just broke the bolt. Thank goodness packaging came with, I don't know, 4 or 5 extra lag bolts, so that was exactly what we're going to need. I'm going to go down and grab a new lag bolt and start all over. All right, so went down and got a new lag bolt, new nut. Clearly I couldn't use the other ones. So I can adjust once I put the panel on. Everything as tight as possible. Keep those still. start this bracket. I have everything I need for it. So that's the best part. Unfortunately, needed a couple different ones. So this one right here, perfect. Right over there. I'm not sure if you can actually see it, but I'll try to keep it in shot. All right, I'm just now getting ready to start the mounting of the top brackets. It's a little tricky because I'm in an awkward position, but you know, sometimes this is all we've got. I may get a longer bolt. Yeah, I'll be back. Longer bolt. So actually I've made this work, and I think it'll be nice and tight. Help secure it. Hard part is holding from underneath the panel, but I feel like I'm getting it, and we should be secure here in a second. And then I can go to the other side. I think I've got a really great connection there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the base back down. All right, off to the other side. A little bit of shimmying, and I may have to change out my bolts. I think they may be just, like, seriously a tad too big, but I'm gonna attempt to screw those bad boys right through this panel. Wrong socket. Like I said, I had a couple different ones up here. There's some crazy person out there. Hey there. So, in the interim of looking for the nut that I dropped, my phone caught a breeze and jumped off of Russ's, and again it jumped off Russ's rig, and now it doesn't want to do anything properly. Hopefully it'll stay long enough for this to happen. Come on, quit being a butthead. Hang tight, folks. Okay, hold on. All right, while I was looking for the bolt, had Susan come over and help me, and the phone literally caught wind and fell to the ground. So no damage. We threw cardboard over each panel just to make sure that there was power, you know, to each one. Watch amperage drop and things like that, and everything was getting annoying, and I really just want to be done for Russ, you know. So it's all done. You can see it's on lean. Once I tire, and I think it has something to do with the air conditioner, but that baby isn't going anywhere. I got it down tight, and it's definitely pulling in
That's
the
an
amphetamine.
ending. That's not a beginning.
If you like what you see, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can follow our next adventure.
So you can travel with the beast. That's
Thank
what
you.
I like.